Okay, I'm at 2431 Pattison. Right here we're at the offset, just about to the sidewalk. The other guy's located on the sidewalk, and actually a couple feet over, probably about 4 feet over. But this, I'm showing it right underneath this gas line. Right here we're about 9 feet down, and immediately we come up for a little jog, and we're about 8 foot at this point. And we'll just keep coming back. Still pretty much follows this gas line. I located this a couple spots, but it looks like we're about 7 foot 8 to 8 feet most of the way, and then, except for that jog down. There's a bump in the pipe there. Right here I located this. This is just inside of the rock landscape area. This is where it ties on the cast. And we're probably about 3 or 4 feet away from the clean out that we're entered in. And here we come up at the clean out right now. I'm stuck. It comes out and over just a little bit, but that's a good reference. That's it.